Hi, how are you? Today we are going to draw a very nice scenery, a man sitting under a big tree, and it's the evening time, so let's move on to the drawings. First, we are going to draw the big tree, so that's why I am drawing a straight line, which is vertical outlines, and I am going to draw like this. Then on top of it, let's draw the branches. Alright, so these are extensions of the branches, another two extensions you can see from here. Okay, now we are going to put some cloud like formations, so these are the few formations to look the drawings nice. It has a basic shape, as you know, so those are little ununiform shapes, so this is not the same kind of repetition. So yeah, you can see it at the bottom. Let's draw the bottom here. You can see the bigger trees and the grasses like this from the drawing, and also few grasses here. Sometimes you can show the birds are flying in the sky. All right, and yeah, the sun is setting in a distant sky. That's why I am drawing the round shape here. And for the field, you can draw few variations like these strokes and put some grasses. You can do like me. Now I'm going to draw a man which is sitting under the tree, and his head here. Okay, so because it's the evening time, so I'm putting the shapes in a dark outline. So the figure of the man, this is abstract, and we're just drawing it in an artistic way. If you like, you can put the hands like this. All right, now as you see, the basic outline is complete. We're going to put the color. So for the grasses, we're going to put the dark green color. As you can see here, I'm drawing right just now. Okay, for the grasses, the top side, we're going to outline it little details, so that's why we're using the pencils. Okay, so you can see the drawing is going to be very good. Few light strokes here. All right, for the sun, we're going to put the orange color, so I'm going to put the orange color here. All the drawings I'm doing, it's in real time, so it's not edited. This is totally unedited. For drawing the trunk, we're going to put this color, so let's put this color. All right, this is a very simple drawing, so you can do practice at home. The more practice, the more you can learn. Okay, for the leaves on top of the houses, of the trees and the branches, so let's draw a few lines like this. The outlines, as you can see, This is defining the basic shapes of a tree. Now we're going to put a darker shade on one side of the trees. So we're going to put left side little darker than the right side. Outline is going on with this way. All right. As you know that it's the evening sky, so that's why we're putting the darker shades on top. Okay. Let's put the shades here. So the transition of the shades is going to be like the darker, then it's going to be, let's put some purple here. Purple. And red is fine. You can put red too. The variations and the transitions of the colors in the sky, this is just awesome. And this little yellow color at the bottom. Okay, as you know that no one is perfect, so not all the drawings are going to be the professional level. The purpose is to show that this is very easy and not a complicated. So any drawing, if you like to learn, then you can go for it. You can learn. Nothing is so complicated or so tough. So you just try it, work your own way, and the drawing is going to be nice. Okay, so as you can see that the drawing is almost complete. Maybe a few dark strokes we need to put here. And this side too. All right, so I hope you like the video. All you need to do is to do practice at home and do it again and again. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.